Which country is more dangerous to the United States, Pakistan or Iran?
Good question.
Thanks, good question. If you'd like me to advance for time, I can.
I guess the way I'd say it is, in the here and now, probably Pakistan.
Why are we not winning in Afghanistan?
One word, Pakistan.
زنم بوسه بر بیرق و خاک تو بنازم به شیران بی باک تو خرامان و قران همه صف شکن